Good evening.
Okay, so this is the main edit I'm working on.
Summer in the hills, those hazy days I do remember. We were running still, had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change. Our roads were lined with adventure, mountains in the
Okay, so that's just neat, okay?
And this is the version that I recorded, which is honestly pretty bad, but it's still good.
This is home where we are, ever strong in the world that we made. I still hear you in the breeze, see your shadow.
Before we start with the tutorial, I want to share with you this awesome text animation presets made by Studioplugins. Follow me. By the way, you will find the direct link in the description. I'm gonna log in with my account. It says here that I already have the Pro access, which you can get only with $7, but you can still get the free presets that I told you about. Here is the catalog with the amazing products for Premiere Pro. It contains hundreds of elements only for $7. Anyway, I'm gonna go to the text presets over here. To get that, you have to install the Studio app, which is a pretty simple thing to do. After you log into your account, go to the After Effects presets section, and install the After Effects Studio plugin, which is the extension you're gonna use to apply your presets. It shouldn't take long, and after it's done, you can go ahead and install the text presets with one click. Now I'll go to my After Effects and show you how it works. You can add the extension by going to Windows, then Extension, and there it is. Let me just adjust things a little bit. And now I will create a text to show you guys how simple it is. As you can see, you have a lot of different animation styles to choose. To apply the animation, select your text and pick the one you like. You can choose between in or out animation, or both. Just select one of them, then click on it. After that, you will have a mark at your text layer, which you can move to control the animation speed. So I made this animation and I like it, and I wanted to add my text effects to it. These presets are the best and easy to apply, which will save a lot of time instead of making them. Actually, it's hard to make such animations. They are not able to be made with keys, only with codes. I'm talking about expression codes. Good luck making that. And don't forget, the link will be in the description.
holding on to what I know, to everything I've learned. What is real and fabricated? What is wrong? What is my problem? How can I get out of this world that I created? Fighting the storms in my head. Don't know where I have been. I'm alone, no one to turn to. No one understands, shit's too complicated. Away, and I feel like I am someone else. Away, and I feel like I don't know myself, no. Away, and I feel like I don't know my name. And I don't want to live this way. I don't wanna keep on wasting a life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing my mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine, and we back. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Made it through the rain and rain, I turn nothing into something. No more dealing with their assumptions, cause I do what I gotta do and I know, can't nobody do it like me. All they do is judge me for who I might be. Maybe if they took some time to pick my mind, they see that I'm cooler than lemons and iced tea. All I wanna do is live it up with the homies. Everybody really talking as if they know me, but I guess I gotta face it. I'm so tired of being faceless.
I don't wanna keep on wasting a life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing my mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
So faceless.
I got a premonition, I'm dreaming you and I. All my darkest fears are coming outside. We got a billion races, we got this melody, and you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. And when you need to escape from 1,000 fires, I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are, and I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love. Love. We're running in the jungle of love. Since my conditions, I got you on my mind. You were stuck in my head and I don't know why. We got a billion races, we got this melody, and you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. And when you need to escape from 1,000 fires, I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are, and I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love. Love.
I remember the days, always at the same place, the same people every day. I will never forget this black old Corvette standing in front of my way. We were both in high school. I thought I was a fool. Oh, when I was falling for you. You keep drawing me in, and I know it's a sin, but even so, yeah, I need you. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. Feels so bittersweet knowing I can leave. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. I can feel the beat of my heart and beats. 'Cause you taste like candy. Sunday feels so bittersweet knowing I can leave. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. I can feel the beat of my heart and beats. 'Cause you taste like candy. Tasty. You on a Sunday, feels so bittersweet knowing I can live. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. I can feel the beat of my heart increase.
You don't know what goes on behind these eyes. You don't know the loneliness hidden inside. You don't know I wanna eat you up alive. Come and get to know me, my type of wild. I'm the kind that spins you and hangs you dry. Well, I'm already on to another side. If you gave me your whole life, I would still have room for more. 'Cause I've got that appetite. Baby, I never feel whole. You might get me through the night, but it will never be enough. It will never be enough. 'Cause I'm a black girl for your love. For your love, your love. 'Cause it's true, no, everything they say about me, I'll suck you, no, to my center of gravity. 'Cause it's true, no, everything they say about me, I'll love you like a supernova, burned into you like a shooting star. Always craving for you to come to me. Though this way of life, no, it ain't healthy, but ain't no other way, it's just what I need. I want all your soul, I want your body. I'm the type that licks her play clean. Don't wanna let go, wanna you can eat. If you gave me your whole life, I would still have room for more. 'Cause I've got that appetite. Baby, I never feel whole. You might get me through the night, but it will never be enough. It will never be enough. 'Cause I'm a black girl for your love.